Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trying to descale my sink. As you can see, my sink has a lot of limescale. It's worth noting that we live in a place where the water is hard water from a borehole, and also there was a previous tenant who used to live in the house that we live in now, so we are not the first tenants. Now I saw a lot of raving comments about Astonish, so I decided to put it to the test and see if it's worth the fuss. I started off by spraying some of the Astonish on the sink, so we're going to let it sit for a while and then we're going to go in and scrub.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
I'm not gonna lie, I did put a generous amount of the Astonish. Reason being, I didn't know how much was enough, so I decided, you know what, why not put enough, a lot actually, just to see the Astonish at work. I wanted to assume that it was going to remove all the limescale, so I just put a very generous amount of the Astonish. I then went in with the scoring pad that I just used to scrub thoroughly over the sink for maybe at least 5 to 7 minutes.
You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
After I was done scrubbing the sink for about 7 minutes, I gave it a good rinse.
Out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the
I will definitely say that the Astonish left the sink a lot shinier, a lot cleaner than it was. I did go in with a clean mat just to wipe down the water. As you can see guys, the sink is shinier than it was before. It did not quite remove all the limescale like I was hoping it would, but like I said, the limescale has been building up for years, so it's probably going to take a long time before the sink will finally look brand new. And I'm going to use the Astonish for a really long time consistently, just to see whether we're going to get rid of all the limescale. The only thing that I can change, maybe that I will change next time when I use the Astonish, is I'm going to use a pair of hand gloves, just because I found it to be a little bit harsh on my hands, but that can also be attributed to the water. Like I said, we use hard water. But other than that, I think it's definitely worth the fuss. I need to use it a bit more and then I will give more feedback. But as you can see guys, the sink is spotless. So we have come to the end of this week's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, use this as your motivation to clean. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share, and leave me a comment if you can. Let me know how you handle the limescale over at your place, if this is something that you struggle with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.